Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, check how you feel and take a 30-second pulse to confirm a rapid, irregular rate. Note dizziness or chest pressure. Once done, remove caffeine and nicotine sources because stimulants worsen flutter, and sit upright to lower venous return. Next, perform a vagal maneuver, bear down like having a bowel movement, or splash cold water on your face for 10 to 15 seconds to engage the parasympathetic response and often slow the heart quickly. If the rhythm persists, monitor continuously. Measure blood pressure and oxygen saturation because instability changes your plan. Make sure an ECG is running so you can see the rhythm and record it for the team. This guides whether you need rate control, rhythm control, or urgent cardioversion. Meanwhile, prepare supportive measures, Roman 4 access and fluids, and if indicated and ordered by a clinician, beta blocker or calcium channel therapy to reduce rate and improve symptoms. Communicate changes clearly to the clinician. Once the episode settles, arrange cardiology follow-up and ambulatory monitoring to find triggers and decide long-term management. Make sure to document onset, duration, what you tried, and current meds. If the situation worsens, new chest pain, fainting, severe shortness of breath, or blood pressure falls, call emergency services immediately because that requires urgent electrical or advanced medical therapy. As a troubleshooting tip, if vagal
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.